YouTube gang, what's good, man? It's your boy Nash, yo. I know it's been a minute. It's been a smooth little minute, but we back. We back on the YouTube. You feel me? This jollof rice hitting right now. Hold on, bro. Y'all know when the food gets stuck in your throat because you don't be chewing it? Anyway, that's besides the point. Yo, what's good, YouTube? We back, man. It's been a while, man. I missed YouTube, but I'm back on it, yo. As you can see by the title of this vlog, we at a Ghana Independence Day party out there in Frankfurt, Germany, yo. Supposedly, this party's supposed to be lit. They saying this party's supposed to be live, you feel what I'm saying? So, we're gonna go out there. I got me and a couple of guys. We about to head out there and see what's the vibes like, you know what I'm saying? Because usually Germany's kind of dead. I'm not gonna lie to you. Germany can be kind of dead, but, you know, whenever there's a Afrobeats event or whatever, we really outside. Like, we outside. That's when it's really lit, you feel me? We about to be there the whole weekend too, you know what I'm saying? So come with me on this journey. We about to be lit. We about to be turned, bruh. So let's get ready and bounce. Yo, I take mad long to get ready, for real, yo. Right now it's 9:42 p.m. I'm about to make my way over to Frankfurt. We got the hotel lined up and everything, so we're about to make our way over there and check in. Going with some of my homies and stuff like that, so I'm gonna link up with them. So, you know, y'all get to see all of them and whatnot, and then, you know what I'm saying? We lit. We outside, y'all. One team. Good, y'all. Just made it to the hotel, man. It was a drive. It definitely was a drive, but we're finally here. I'm about to go ahead and get dressed, get ready, and head out. I see a lot of people are in this hotel, man. A lot of people must be going to the same event, so I already know it's finna be lit, for real, for real. So yeah, let me get ready. I got some guys that's waiting on me right now. They already dressed. I'm low-key late, but I'm finna change right now, bro. Let's see what's going on. What's good, guys? Oh, low-key, I'm running mad late right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. All the guys are waiting for me, for real, but I had to get a little something slide on, you know what I'm saying? We got the chain right here from Shop GLD. They where I get most of my jewelry from. We got this boxy shirt. This one is from Boohoo Men's. Boss, look, my watch is on backwards. I'm over here rushing. My watch is on backwards, bro. Boss, watch, something slight, you know what I'm saying? These jeans are from G-Star Raw. G-Star Raw jeans. We got the Louis belt on, light, you know what I'm saying? And then we got the McQueens on the feet, yeah? Let me see if I can give you guys a better look. This how we rocking to this thing. Some real slight, some slight drip. Real light, real light. I'm too ready, I'm too psyched, and I can't forget my Ghana flag. I gotta take my Ghana flag with me. And it's mad cold outside, so I'm gonna wear my jacket. You know what I'm saying? But we outside, yo. I'm gonna see y'all at the party, yeah?
If there's no party, I'll take your spot and you gonna drive to your hotel. Yeah. It's not gonna switch. You know what I'm saying? Like,
it's snowing outside right now, but we still going. We still outside.
We going.
Oh, this you? Look what my man put up here. Stop playing with him. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We outside. What up, guys? I'm back in the hotel room. Oh, man. Last night was lit. I wouldn't say last night because it literally just happened. What am I talking about? But tonight was lit, man. A lot of people were there. It was so packed. It was so packed, bro. I had a great time. Right now, I'm about to go to sleep, man. I'm too tired. I'm too freaking tired right now, man. This was such a bad night to wear my McQueens. Look how dirty they got, man. Look how dirty my McQueens got. Just look at them. This is terrible, bro. I'm sick. Word of advice, never wear McQueens in the club. Honestly, don't wear any white shoes in the club, to be honest. It's honestly just not a good idea. But anyway, I'm out, man. I'm tired. I'll see y'all in the AM. All right, peace. Good morning, y'all. Yo, I'm so tired right now. It's crazy. I'm running off 3 hours of sleep. 3 hours of sleep right now. Some of my guys are in here right now because they only booked one night. So I told them they can kick it in my room, so they in there. So I'm about to go ahead and get ready, man. It's gonna be a long day. I already know it. I'm sick. Y'all, look at this little ginger ale they gave me, bro. With this little glass, like, am I taking a shot? It's good, y'all. Back from Vapiano's, back in the hotel, bro. We just tired. This man ain't slept all day. I don't know how he's still functioning right now. I'm running off 3 hours, but I'm tired now, so we catch y'all later. What's good, guys? Well, we finally up after the nap. About to figure out where we want to go eat. Right now, it's 7:43 p.m. Denzel done pulled up. He wasn't here last night, but he here today, man. We outside. We outside. He came up with the bottle, man. We outside tonight, man. We about to get something to eat, man, and then
Part 2.
Pre-game, then part 2 of the night, man. It's a lit weekend. We outside, for real.
Hey, last night, it was packed. The whole building was packed.
Yo, last night, I'm talking about, we bought 3 bottles. Them joints was gone in 20 minutes, bro. Because random shorties came in our section and we just drinking all of it, bro. I had 1 drink, bro.
I had 2 shots. That was it.
Y'all, we about to head out. It's been
You gotta get him in the video, bro.
look how my son pull up though. Stop playing with him.
Stop playing with
him.
Stop playing with him. Hey, I tell y'all niggas I'm getting in. My son lit. Hey, how you say thank you again? Medasi.
But yeah, we all dressed. Just look at this man. Look at this man. Everybody dressed but him. Look at him. Better head out, man. We've been pre-gaming a little bit. I still am sober as hell.
I'm a little tipsy.
You tipsy?
I'm a little tipsy, but that's what it is.
Yeah, my man James in the back. What's good, James?
This nigga don't get drunk.
James, he a drinker for real. This man, he true to this. He true to this for real. Everybody stop off to the beat. Everybody stop off to the beat. Y'all, we had a lit night. We had a lit night, you know what I'm saying? Niggas is tired. Niggas is tired. We're going to sleep, bro.
On Independence weekend was lit as
Lit.
Alright guys, good night.
Bye.
But African food, they hit different every single time. You can't go wrong with it, bro.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Shout out our boy Prince, bro. He didn't come through last night, but he came through today, bro. He came through with the suit, man. You know what I'm saying? We don't know where that boy was at last night.
He came back with a suit. Wherever he was, like, he gotta stay there. Yeah.
But he here today, and that's all that matters. Yo, what's good, y'all? We finally checked out the hotel, man. I have no sleep in my system right now. Probably like 2 hours again. But I'm about to go to my cousin's house over there in Wiesbaden, kick it for a little bit, and then I'm gonna head back, man. It's been a lit weekend. If you watched it all the way through, yo, big ups to you, man. I appreciate all the love and support. I'll see you guys on the next one, yo. We outside.